Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia XZ2, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application is installing on your device. Now just open the app, here click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK, and as you can see here we got the temperature of our device, that's 29 and 7 degrees. So I got here another information about our battery health, level, capacity, and more other information about the device model, Android version, and more info. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.